Sa araw na ito ay sabay-sabay nating panoorin at pakinggan ang naging pahayag ni Senator Coco Pimentel patungkol sa submarine acquisition program ng Philippine Navy at sa planong pagtatayo ng permanent structure sa Ayungin Shoal. Ngunit bago ang lahat ay kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel ay mag-subscribe ka na at i-click mo na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga kaganapan at modernong kagamitan na ating pag-uusapan.
Your colleague, Senator Cheese Escudero, is proposing a budget of 100 million pesos in 2024 for the possible construction of a structure in Ayungin Shoal. Is this something you support, Senator?
Yes, that is a possibility. I will keep an open mind to that idea for as long as the structure is non-military in nature.
Mm-hmm. But
for as long as it's a non-military structure, that's okay.
Non-military structure, what kind of structures do you think can be constructed in Ayungin Shoal, and sino po ang magko-construct?
Pwedeng BIFAR, DNR, pwedeng DPWH, pwedeng DA. Depende po yan sa programang o proyektong may isip. So for our fisher folk, for example, ang ating scenario would be they are in the area, then all of a sudden there is bad weather, dapat meron silang masilungan.
Like a shelter,
that
for
is
example.
That's a shelter, that is not a military structure.
Senator, given these external threats in the region, are there any items in the proposed 2024 budget that you want to be realigned in order to strengthen the capabilities of our armed forces and the Coast Guard?
We should beef up the Philippine Coast Guard. Yung military, there has been a long-term plan to modernize their facilities and their equipment and their vessels. Unfortunately, what I'm hearing is they are excited about purchasing submarines. I'm personally very much against the idea because I do not see how a submarine can help us resupply any of our outposts. I do not see how a submarine can help us during disaster periods to deliver relief goods. Wala eh. It's actually just a parang what they call a bling bling. Yung pangano lang because it has become the trend in our area that other countries have submarines, then we should also have a submarine. We should concentrate on surface vessels.
Sa aking opinyon ay hindi ako sang-ayon sa sinabi ng senador patungkol sa pagbili ng Philippine Navy ng submarine. Malamang hindi nakikita ng butihing senador kung gaano kahalaga ang ginagampan ng papel ng submarine sa defense posture ng ating bansa, lalong-lalo na't isa tayong archipelagic nation o isang bansa na binubuo ng napakaraming isla. Sa pamamagitan ng submarine ay magkakaroon tayo ng kakayahan na mamonitor at mabantayan ang ating teritoryo sa West Philippine Sea nang hindi man lang namamalaya ng China, sapagkat alam naman natin na ang submarine ay nakadisenyo upang magsagawa ng mga concealed mission tulad ng intelligence gathering at surprise attack. Kaya't malaking pag-abante din ang maibibigay nito sa deterrence capability ng ating bansa. Sa madaling salita, ay kapag may submarino ang isang bansa, ay magdadalawang isip talaga ang iba pang bansa na maglayag o pumasok ng basta-basta sa teritoryo nito dahil alam nila na kahit anumang oras ay maaari silang atakihin ng isang submarino. Ikaw, sang-ayon ka ba sa sinabing ito ni Senator Pimentel? I-comment lamang ngayong sagot sa comment section. At dito na po magtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat sa panonood at mag-ingat po kayo.